Hello, in this video we are going to discuss the lead code problem number 283 move zeros. In this problem they will give you an array, right, as a input. They will give you an array like this. This is an integer array 1, 7, 0, 8, 0 like this, right? What you need to return? You need to return the same array, right? You need to return the same array, but the condition is your array must contain all the non-zero elements like 1, 7, 8 in the front, right? 1, 7, 8. After filling your non-zero elements, you need to fill all the zeros at last, right? This array have 2 zeros. You need to add these 2 zeros in last. You need to maintain the same order when filling non-zero elements, right? If you have an element that is non-zero, you need to add at first, but you need to maintain the same order 1, 7, 8. You cannot use 8 at first, 7 at second, like that. You need to maintain the same order while filling non-zero elements. After that you need to fill the zeros, right? The problem logic is just traverse this array from left to right, right? Just traverse this array from left to right. How we can traverse? We can use a loop like for loop. We just traverse the array from left to right. You add the condition, right? You add a condition like if the element of the array is not equal to 0, right? If the element of the array is not equal to 0, you just your array is now empty like this. Not equal to 0. Your array is like this, right? Now we can this array size is 5. So we need to add 5 elements. We just need to replace in the same array. We have 5 elements. If the first element is not equal to 0, just add that, just replace that, right? 1. Then move to the second element, 7. If it is non-zero, just add. Then go to the third element. If it is 0, just skip. Go to the next element. If that is non-zero, add. So you can easily maintain the order. If you complete the entire loop, fill all the elements with 0. If you completely traverse the array, you have some empty spaces, right, for the zeros. Just add those zeros at the end. Now we move to the coding part. I create an temporary variable for the replacement, right? I create an array int I is equal to 0, I greater than nums dot length. We need to traverse the total array I plus plus. Then I add the condition if any elements of the array is non-zero element, that is not equal to 0, I just, what is that, nums array, I just replace j, right? J is now 0. If you traverse, you can easily increment that nums j. I just add that element nums of I. Then I need to traverse the pointer, right? I need to increment the pointer. When the completion of this for loop, all the non-zero elements are replaced, right? This step completed. If you traverse this full array, your non-zero elements all are filled. Now we have two zeros. We need to fill those things. For that, add an while loop. What is that? J variable is now what? J is only 3, right? So if J greater than num start length, right? We just nums J, just add all the remaining elements with 0, then J plus plus. When the J is equal to the num start length, right? Num start length minus 1, that is total elements minus 1, the while loop will terminate it. That's all. Yeah, it is accepted and successfully submitted also. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you.